How to fix Google Photos not loading. So you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is strong or you have a stable cell signal. Since if not, then it could be the reason why your photos or videos are not loading. So to ensure that your signal or connection is not the issue, head over to the Google Photos application and select any of the options found below. Now observe how long the photos or videos load. So if you've noticed that some videos or photos load faster than the other, then it is a strong indication that your Wi-Fi connection or your signal is not stable. However, if this is not the problem, then what you can do is to head over to the Play Store application and search for Google Photos and see whether an update option is available. So if there's an update option, tap that option for the application to start updating. Once it is done updating, you can now open the app. But if this did not fix the issue, head to the Settings application, scroll down until you find the Software Update option. Then tap Download and Install. So from here, you will see if there's an update available for your device. If there is, then start updating your phone. If there's none, then you can try restarting your phone. So those are the ways on how you can fix Google Photos not loading. Thank you and have a great day.